Hey guys, so today I'm showing you guys my curly hair routine. I have thinner / curlier hair, so if you have the same hair type as me, follow along. My hair right now is soaked with water, and I'm gonna just put some more water on the top. Just really want it drenched. And I already put some leave-in conditioner, so we're gonna section our hair. I'm gonna section the front part, and then I'm gonna clip it. We're gonna section in 3 parts, so up part, and then we're gonna do where our eyebrows at, and then section all the way to the back, just like this. And get a clip, cure it. I'm gonna use this Raise the Root Thickening Lifting Spray. I should have used this before, but we're just gonna use this on our roots a little bit, and we're gonna use this leave-in spray. It's on the thinner side, so perfect if you have finer hair. This is not wet enough. I really want it to be super drenched. So you hear this. Okay, we're gonna use the OUIDAD Advanced Climate Control Featherlight Volumizing Foam. This is gonna help with volumizing your curls, and it's light too. Now we're gonna use our finger and just twirl it around our finger, and we're just gonna let it fall like this. It's a nice curl. I continued this step with drenching my hair with water first, and then using the leave-in conditioner, and then using the foam, and then twirling my hair with my finger. And we're gonna do that for the rest of the bottom section and the middle section. So I'll finish the rest, and I'll be right back to do the top. This is how it's looking. I've done more than half of my hair, and I'm gonna do now the top. For the top part of my head, I did section my hair in 3 parts, and I did the same steps, which is spraying my hair with water, making sure it is drenched, and then spraying my hair with leave-in spray, and using the foam, twirling the hair around my finger, and making sure you scrunch towards the end before letting the curl drop, and you want to hear that little squishing sound before you let it drop, and that's how you know the curl is ready. Then we're gonna go in with the volumizing spray and spray that all over our roots. I'm gonna use a claw clip, and those claw clips are going to ensure we get a nice lift. I didn't record this part, but I did diffuse my curls for about 5 to 8 minutes. My hair at this point is about 50% dry, and you can either diffuse it more or you can just let it air dry. I decided to just let it air dry. Okay guys, this is how my hair is looking. It's probably like 90% dry. I just hairsprayed my hair, and then I put these clips, and I'm just gonna tease a little bit, pick my hair. Okay, so this part is very crucial if you want more volume. I definitely like to pick my hair towards the end, use hairspray so the curls kind of stay. Okay guys, this is the final results. My makeup's all done, and this is how my curls turned out. But this is my go-to routine for my fine curly hair. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. I'll see you next time. Bye!